What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be installing a GT350R carbon fiber wing to this car, and I think it's going to go pretty well with the GT350 conversion kit. And of course, if you guys don't know, I have nothing done to the rear end of this car, so there's no accents at all. The only accent you can really see is just the stripes that go down the middle, but besides that, everything else is stock in the rear end. And in just a second you'll see what I'm talking about. And here you go, guys. Here's the rear of the car, and as you can see, there's nothing notable done. The only thing that you can tell that is done is just the stripes. It's a stock rear bumper. There's no diffuser, no nothing. Because of that, today we're going to be adding that rear carbon fiber wing to give it a little pizzazz. But without further ado, let's get straight into the install. Alrighty, guys, as you guys can see, we go back and forth. I'm taking the carbon fiber spoiler off and on because we are double checking our measurements. Since there's not really much to guide us of where installing this, we kind of just eyeballed it and then went from there. One thing that we learned early on is the American Muscle Guide isn't the most accurate. We kind of followed the instructions until we realized the drill bits they recommend for the holes aren't accurate, so we ended up leaving. At the end of this clip, we actually went to AutoZone and bought a bigger drill bit to make a bigger holes. But other than that, everything else went great, and you guys will see in just a minute the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, so it's been about a week since I've actually installed this. Unfortunately, the weather here has been kind of gloomy, so it's been kind of hard to record this outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed the b-roll and everything else. If you guys did, please drop a like and also consider subscribing, because only 6% of the viewers are actually subscribed. And that's pretty much it for now. I know, like I said, it was a short video, but I feel like short and sweet, it's gonna be great. I do have plans for more videos upcoming tomorrow. I'm actually going to be going to my second Carby of 2021, and then also I still plan on getting this car tuned. It is tuned by somebody. I'm not going to name them because I've already named it, but I was actually pretty disappointed with the tune, so I'm actually going to switch over and go with Auto Mafia. They actually add Burble Tune, which I really want. That's something I wanted with the original tune from the tuner, but they don't offer that, so I said screw it, I'm just going to go with Auto Mafia. They offer that, and honestly, some people might think it might be a little racer to do that, but I personally love the burbles and just the pops and bangs, so we're doing that. And then the huge plan downstream, as in like maybe a year or two, is I definitely want to get this car boosted. And by boosted, I mean I don't want to get it Pro Charger, because for the money there's one better option in my opinion. And that better option is actually Auto Mafia's single turbo kit, and that's honestly what I want to do. I've been watching their channel a lot more because they do a lot of 3.7 Mustangs. So to me, they are the rating champ of who actually focuses on that. But anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. One last thing I'd like to say, and this is going to start to be the motto of the channel. Remember, guys, you got to grind this shine. So with that being said, peace out.